How to reset your iPhone's login password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reset your iPhone's login password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, you'll need to open up your settings. So open up your settings and then scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find an option that says Face ID and passcode. Tap on it simply and simply type in your current password. After you type in your current password, there you will see different options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to change your passcode. So for that, scroll down and there you'll find change passcode option. Tap on it and type in your current password. After you do that, now you can enter up your new password. So choose whichever password that you want. So after that, you will need to confirm your new passcode again. And after you do that, your password is now changed. And whenever you try to log in into your whenever you try to log in or unlock your iPhone, you'll have to use the new password. And that's basically how you can reset your iPhone's login password, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.